Well, hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to show you how to look up your medications, how to pick out your own standalone drug plan for Medicare Part D. So if you have a supplement plan, you also need a standalone drug plan. So in today's video, we're going to show you how to pick out your own standalone drug plan when it comes to Medicare Part D. So you do have a little bit of homework before we start. I need you to get out your medication list, the dosage of that medication, and how often you take that medication. And then I'm going to show you step by step how to pick the drug plan that is right for you. So let's get started. Let's get to my computer. Alrighty guys, so we are here on Medicare.gov. And we're going to select our drug plans for the following year. So this is available from October the 1st of each year for the following year. However, you have from October 15th to December 7th to choose a plan for the following year, and it will take in effect January the 1st of the next year. Okay, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is click right here where it says Find Health and Drug Plans. So we're going to click here where it says Find Plans Now. So click that. And then we're going to go ahead and put in our zip code. I'm going to go ahead and put in a Florida zip code. Make sure you choose your coverage year if there's 2 years here, okay? So we're going to look for the next year. So we're going to make sure we have our coverage year selected, and it is. We're going to hit continue. Now we're going to pick the second option, Medicare Drug Plan Part D. So click here. Then we're going to click on Find Plans. Now we're going to go ahead and answer this question. It says, do you get help with your Medicare health or drug costs? So do you get help with Medicaid, SSI, Medicare Savings Program, or extra help? If the answer is no, then you're going to click here, I don't get help from any of these programs. Then hit continue. Now you're going to answer this question. Do you want to see your drug costs when you compare plans? You absolutely do. So you're going to hit yes. Then next. Now let's put in our medications. We're going to start with lisinopril, 10 milligrams, and we take this medication once a day. So if you're taking that medication once a day, you're going to leave it at 30 every month, okay? You could change these, okay? But you want to keep this for the most part every month. Now, if you take your medication twice a day, you're going to change this to 60. If you take it 3 times a day, you're going to change it to 90. So we're going to leave it at 30 because we take this medication once a day. Add it to your drug list. Now let's add another medication. So we're going to add gabapentin. We're going to say we take 300 milligram capsule, and we're going to say we take this 2 times a day. Add it to our drug list. We're going to add one more medication. We're going to add Xanax. Now this screen is going to pop up and you have the option to add it as a generic or keep the brand name. I'm going to add it as a generic, and here's the generic name right here. So add generic. Okay, so we're taking this Xanax generic medication, 0.5 milligram tablet. If I want to change it, I could change it here. Okay, so we're going to leave it at 0.5 milligram tablet. And we take this as needed about once a day. So I'm going to change this to 30. Okay, and I'm going to add this to my drug list. Now I'm going to confirm my drug list, make sure this is in fact my list. and then I'm going to hit done adding drugs. Okay, so now I can choose up to 5 pharmacy locations, and you want to choose more than one to compare the price, okay? Now, the first thing I do is I go ahead and select mail order pharmacy, so that way I can see what the cost is there. If I save some money there, I'm going to go ahead and click on Walgreens, and I'm going to click on Publix as well. Now, as you can see, the bottom of the screen shows your pharmacies. Now you're going to hit done. Okay, so now all of the drug plans are going to populate. So let's start with the first one. So see here we have WellCare Value Script. The monthly premium for this plan is $0 for the month. Now let's look at our total drug cost and premium for the year. Okay, so this is the total cost of the medication for the year. So it's going to be $81.60 for retail pharmacy, or $106.80 for mail order pharmacy. We also have a drug deductible right here of $590 for the year. However, I'm not paying a drug deductible for these medications. How do you know that? Because of the total cost, I could figure out from just looking at this that the deductible does not have to be met for these particular medications. Usually, not all the time, but usually tier 1 and tier 2, you do not have to meet the drug deductible. Okay, so let's see what other options we have. So we have the Cigna plan, $27.10 per month, and you can see here the cost of the medication for the year and the drug deductible. So it's $443 for the year for retail pharmacy. Now let's look at this Humana plan, $41.20 for the month, and it is $694 for the year for mail order pharmacy, or $553 for retail pharmacy. And then we have this WellCare Classic plan for $5.30, and you can see how much the medication costs for the year. So clearly we see that the WellCare plan, the first plan, is going to be the lowest cost. So let's click on plan details. And we're going to click here. It's going to give you an overview for the WellCare Value Script. Okay, so it's $0 for the month, and this is the cost of the medications for the year. So we're going to scroll down, and we're going to look at our medication list right here. And if you look here, you can see the pharmacy that we selected, and we could look here to see if they're a preferred pharmacy, if that pharmacy is in network. Okay, so now when we come here, this is our med list, and it shows you how much that medication will cost for the year within that pharmacy. So for Publix, my Xanax is $49.80 for the year. My gabapentin is $60 for the year, and my lisinopril is $0 cost. Look at my Walgreens, $35.40 for the Xanax and $46.20 for the gabapentin. Okay, and look at our mail order pharmacy, and it breaks down the total cost right below it for each pharmacy. Okay, now let's break down the cost of the medication by the month. If you look at the month from January to December, it will break it down, the cost of the medication for that month. Okay, now say you're looking at a drug plan in June for a start date of July. You would no longer see these months. It will only show you the months that's left over in the year. Okay, so let's look at Publix. So Publix is going to cost me $9.15 to fill my medications in January. It's very important to look at the first month. If the first month is extremely high, it's because you have to meet a deductible. Okay? Most likely, if you see a very high price here and you see the other months are a lot lower, it's because that first month you have to meet that deductible before the insurance will pay its portion. So this is Publix. Let's look at Walgreens, $6.80 to fill my medications. Let's look at mail order, $26.70 to fill my medications. You see these dashes here? This means that these medications are filled every 90 days. Okay, every 90 days these medications are filled. Okay, so that is pretty much how you look at the medications, how you pick your plan via Medicare.gov. Alrighty now, so I showed you how to pick out the Medicare Part D drug plan that best fits your particular needs. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below and I'd be more than happy to answer your question. If you know anyone that needs this information, share this video, this easy step-by-step guide on how to pick out your drug plan for the following year. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you learned something new today. If you like the video, please give it a like. If you need any assistance, give our office a call. We'd be more than happy to assist you. At the end of today's video, there are 2 videos that you can also watch. Please subscribe to see me again, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.